Hospital vocabulary.
A day in a hospital. The ambulance arrived with a sick person. Ambulance. Ambulance. Nurse is carrying patient on gurney to the emergency room. This is the emergency room where patients are referred upon arrival. Ward. Ward. Sick people are stay in a ward. Medical bed. Medical bed. Nurse. Nurse. The nurse has a syringe in her hands. First aid kit. First aid kit. Medical gloves. Medical gloves. Intravenous fluid bag. Intravenous fluid bag. Digital thermometer. Digital thermometer. Medical plaster. Medical plaster. Doctor's office. Doctor's office. People visit the doctor's office to see a doctor. Medical wheelchair. Medical wheelchair. Doctor. Doctor. Doctor is reading patient's disease history. Stethoscope. Stethoscope. Medical prescription paper. Medical prescription paper. Medical mask. Medical mask. Mercury thermometer. Mercury thermometer. Other departments of the hospital. You will see in the next video. Dentistry, optometry, radiography, maternity ward, pediatric department, heart department, ultrasounding, surgery, MRI scanner, pharmacy.